In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. All you need to do is open Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, to disable location, I need to tap on Close. So when I do that and go back, my shortcut is gray, which means that location is definitely disabled. To enable it, tap on the same tile one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!